Did you know, as a business owner, your security camera system should be managed by a professional support team so that you can stay worry-free knowing it's always working? Are you trying to self-manage your security cameras, but there's a problem? Actually, 5 of them? 1. Incorrect programming. Most business owners are not security professionals and don't have the time or expertise to program their camera system settings correctly, which results in issues and frustration with the system. So what good is a camera system if it's not programmed to work correctly? 2. Not knowing when hard drives crash or when the system stops recording. This causes a great deal of issues, especially when the system doesn't get checked on a regular basis to ensure it's working and recording. So what good is a camera system if it's not recording? 3. No tech support help to rely on. When business owners forget their camera system's password or have a question on how to use the system, they have no tech support available to help. The installation company never answers their calls. So what good is your camera system if you can't use it? 4. Backup. It's a struggle to successfully back up recordings of incidents from the camera system for future use. So what good is a camera system if you can't save important recordings? 5. No system alerts. You're unaware when critical cameras stop working or a system turns off whether due to a failure, and your business may not know for days, weeks, or even months. So what good is a camera system if it's not working? Thankfully, at oviscctv.com, our camera systems provide the solutions to all these problems. Our camera systems are fully programmed, tested by our team, and equipped with 2 hard drives at minimum so that if one fails, the other one kicks in. Our tech support team is always easy to reach, whether it's to help with passwords, backing up recordings, or to simply answer any questions. Best yet, if your camera system turns off, we get a critical alert within minutes that triggers a response from our tech support team to quickly resolve the issue. So why wait? Get a worry-free camera system from oviscctv.com that's equipped with lifetime warranty, tech support, and simply works. Call 844-962-8900 or visit www.oviscctv.com now to get started.